Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the docking DC jack circuit board from a Dell Latitude 13 version 7350. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Use fingertips to pry apart and separate the LCD screen. Now you're going to unplug and loosen the battery cable. Then unscrew and remove the battery. The next thing you're going to do is disconnect the circuit board cables. Now unscrew and remove the docking circuit board. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts. Need more? Check out these other